get him in the shot when we're going, man.
Oh, we got him in the shot.
We're going to get him in the shot. I'm not getting this Kansas.
We got you on film, sir.
Put those back, sir. Hey! Welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope you're having a great day. My name is Majors. You could be anywhere else in the world right now, but you're here with me, and I'm thankful. Today, we're gonna do the fitness pacer test. If you haven't seen the first time we did it, check that out. I got up to 109. Killer's on his way, he's not here yet, but Killer's first time doing it, he got a 66. This time around, we're gonna try to beat that. I did a 112 last week. Killer did a 72 or a 73. So today I'm gonna try to beat 112. He's gonna try to beat 73. In my opinion, if you wanna see how in shape you are, if you wanna test your endurance, this is the best way to do it. I love it because it's a slow build. It starts out real slow. Believe me, it's gonna look a lot easier than it appears, but each time that the song changes, the pace picks up. So you wanna start slow. If you start too fast, you won't have a chance, you'll burn out. It's a 20-meter test. And we're here in the States. Of course, we don't use meters, we use yards, but it's close enough. It's very close. It's almost identical. It's 20 yards. We start at the goal line, and you'll hear a beep. So the beep will start. You basically just run. See the 10 right there, 20 right here. You don't have to get your full body over the line. As long as you touch, you could go. And you go back and forth. Every time the song changes, the pace speeds up. I'm gonna try to beat 112. It's all about progression. We'll see what happens. We'll go from there. It's a great endurance test. It's all about personal growth, becoming the best possible version of yourself. Let's get down to business. Smash that like button, subscribe, and enjoy the video. Let's get to it. Comfort kills.
The Fitness Gram Pacer test is a multi-stage aerobic capacity test that progressively gets more difficult as it continues. The 20-meter pacer test will begin in 30 seconds. Line up at the start. The running speed starts slowly but gets faster each minute after you hear this signal. A single lap should be completed each time you hear this sound. Remember to run in a straight line and run as long as possible. The second time you fail to complete a lap before the sound, your test is over. The test will begin on the word start. On your mark, get ready, start. One, two,
Nice and easy, baby.
2.
Still better, right?
Yeah. Better on the turns?
Yeah.
17. 18.
Sorry.
23. End of level 3. 24.
How we looking, Don?
Good so far.
28.
Be straight.
32. End of level 4. 36. 41. End of level 5. 42. 46. 51. End of level 6. 52.
Yeah.
53. 55. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 68. 70. 71.
Yes, sir. Memorial Day special.
Yes, sir.
72. End of level 8. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80.
80.
81. 82. 83. End of level 9. 84. 85. 88. 90. 94. End of level 10. 95.
Stay in the fight. Let's go, baby. 98. Let's go.
102.
4.
104.
Push. There you go.
106.
106.
107.
Right back. There you go.
108.
There you go. Nice try.
109.
Nice push. Woo, there you go.
110.
110. Let's go.
111.
That's a great. Easy.
112.
112. Let's go.
113.
114.
114. 115.
Come on. Ha! Look. 116.
Yes, sir.
116. Great.
So 113 was the goal. Got 112 on my last run. On the pacer fitness test the first time, it was 109. 112 on the last one. 116 on this one. It's all about getting that great work and pushing yourself. Killer's up. His last run was 72. 73 and up is the goal. Let's go support Killer. Come for kills. Let's get it. To all the veterans out there, it's Memorial Day. We wouldn't even be able to enjoy the things that we take for granted each and every day without your service. So a humble gratitude and thank you to all of our veterans out there. We appreciate you guys.
Extended weekend.
Yeah. He just completed 5 right now. Remember, it's nice and easy in the beginning, nice and slow. right now. We're just waking the body up right now. There you go.
End of level 2.
Nice and easy.
16.
There you go.
17.
There you go. We're just getting the body warm. The body's getting warm, baby. Just waking up. Had a couple days off over the weekend, so we're just getting the dust off.
19.
There we go. Nice.
23. End of level 3. 24.
Good touch, good touch, good touch. Good touch, good touch.
25.
There we go. After 30, we're gonna start to get a little work in. Them first 30 for killers a warm up. 30. All right, we clocked in now. We clocked in now, baby. Let's go. Nice touch.
32. End of level 4.
32. Here we go. There we go. 34. Beautiful. Get out of there, killer. Get out of there. Nice. 50's in. 50's in. We working. Time to shine now.
51.
51.
End of level 6. 52.
52. We working now. Good work. Good work. Good work. Let's go. Get out. Good touch.
54.
Get on the line. Get on the line. Nice.
57.
Nice. Good work. Good work. Let's get to 60. Let's get to 60. 60.
60.
Let's go. Let's get to 70. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get on the line. Get on the line.
61.
Okay. We gotta work now. We gotta work, baby. We gotta work. Get out, Mike. Get out.
62.
62. You're almost to your goal. Come on. Get in. Get out. Get in. Get out.
65.
Nice. 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 Come on. Come on. Get on the line. Get on the line. Get out.
66.
Get on that line.
69.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out. Get out.
70.
Come on. Get this line. Get this line. Get this line. Get this line. Touch. 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 There you go.
71.
Good touch. Come on. Almost there. Come on. All the way. Touch. Get out. Come on. Come on. Get on this line. Get on this line. Get back. Get back. Get back.
73.
Come on. Yes, sir.
74.
74, baby. Yes, sir. 74.
75.
He had 72 last time. He needed 73 or better. He got 74. I'm proud of him. The very first time he did it, he only got 33 or 35. He's more than double that now. Hard work, consistency, baby. Good work, killer. Good work.
Good job, my boy.
Woo, comfort kills, baby.
Good job.
You can see the mountains in the background. We just got these football fields out here. We blessed to be out here, man. We in the valley out here in Vegas, so we're surrounded by mountains all the way around. And it's just a beautiful day to succeed. Don't settle, don't go through the motions. Don't pretend to get better, get better. A lot of people just go through the motions just to appear to seem that they're getting better, but they're really not, because deep down they know they're still leaving something in the tank. Leave it all out there, man. Leave it all out there. That's how you're gonna improve. I'll leave a link of the video to the Pacer Fitness test in the description so you can test your endurance. Again, I thank you for your time. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. Until next time, comfort kills, y'all. Let's get it.